Hey everyone, I'm quite excited to have the final review of this workshop finally. So first let's talk about the workshop. The workshop will cost you around rupees 499, and if you're an intermediate or a beginner on LinkedIn, so I'll recommend that it's definitely worth the money, right? So if you're a personal brand and running your business, so the great choice would be like their LinkedIn Mastery program. Okay. The best part about this workshop I like is they are having a fully support system. Like they will update you each and everything, so you can't miss anything through their mails and through their WhatsApp groups. So now let's talk about our hacker. I'll rate him according to speed and language of the conversation, doubt solving, knowledge, experience, and presentation of the workshop. Okay, so my rating to him is 9.5 out of 10, and my overall rating for this workshop is 9 out of 10. Right? So I hope you like this workshop review, and for the latest updates and registration of this workshop, you can check description below. Okay, thank you guys, and bye bye.